Hey guys, so the engine's out. You know, the K20a3 is out. Now I'm ready to junk the car. So pretty much we picked up this whole car for $600. Front end was wrecked on it, so pull out the engine. I sold the seats out of it for $450. Front, back seat door panels. These are different door panels. These are Type S door panels. The seats were nice, so I sold them for $450. I sold some miscellaneous stuff. The rear bumper for $50. So that got me up to $500 back. Then I sold the cap for $200. So that got me $700. So right now this car paid me $100 for the swap. Let me show you. Here's the K20. Sorry, it's a little bit sunny. It's early in the morning. So here's the K20a3 swap, and I bought Type S manifold for $50. So right now I'm still ahead $50. So yeah. I'm in a dilemma on where to put this in. I really want to put it in the EF, but I don't know. So let me show you what the other car. Okay guys, remember this car? This is the Integra that I bought for $300. I bought this car for $300. It got a thrown rod on it, so I sold the swap, but with a B20 for $1,500. Basically I bought a B20, sold it as a complete swap for a EG for $1,500. There's the RSX intake box, some headlights. We took the seats. My son's using it as a simulator seats. This thing's got 300,000 miles. So basically, as of right now, this is a free Integra for me. We're thinking of debating whether I was just gonna put the $200 Integra, the one that was wrecked. I was gonna put the engine on this and sell this. I had a buyer for it for $1,500. He said he'll buy it, but didn't see him again. He's one of my friend's son, but yeah, I didn't see him again, so I don't know if he still wants it. And we really don't know if we want to sell it or put the K20 on this. One of the problems is, as you can probably tell, we have one too many Integra. So it's either put that on this or put it in the EF. Let me show you the EF. Okay, so this is the EF. This is my son basically spun the rod bearings on this at Thunderhill. So we pulled the engine out. I do have to fix the subframe. We realize it's got a crack on it. It's right there. I do either have to fix it or go to pick and pull and get a new subframe for it. Yeah, so I really want to put the K20 in this. Right now we're using as storage for some of the parts that we took off of this. So then we do have a roll cage for it. While this was broken, we got a hold of it. So 80% wise, we want to put on this. The only thing that's really stopping me from wanting to put the K20 swap on this is it's a lot of work to put it on EF. You got to relocate, you know, we have to relocate the brain fart, I'm sorry. Yeah, we have to relocate the proportioning valve, probably the fuel line. We have to remove the dash and, you know, basically put the hydraulic brake clutch master cylinder back there. So yeah, it's a lot of work, but it would be nice. So let's see. Let me know what you guys think. Should we put it on this car or should we put it on the other Integra? As far as this, I need to lube that up. As far as this $200 Integra goes, I think we're just gonna go ahead and part it out. The interior is good. Right now it's, again, we're using as storage for some of the stuff. The interior is good on this, so I might use this as a black interior conversion for the other car, because the other car has got the brown interior on it. So yeah, I think at the end of the day, I think the front end wreck is just way too far, you know, for me to fix. I'm sure it's fixable. It's just I don't want to spend time on it. It's a shame this car only has, as you can see, there you go. Car only has like 90,000 miles. As far as the back half of the car is concerned, it's clean. It's dirty, but it's clean. So I'll take the bumper, the taillights, and put it on the other car. So yeah, let me know what you think as far as this. As far as, you know, should we put the K20 on this, or should we fix the other Integra and put the K20? If I put the K20 on the other one, I'll probably put a, I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm going to put a B series. It's probably going to be either a straight GSR swap or an LS VTEC. All right, well, till next time.